Do you want to start investing, but don't know where to start? These are the steps we recommend for beginners. Step 1. Learn and designing a long-term investment strategy. What's more important is to ensure you understand what you are investing in and why. 2. Find the time for your investment sessions. Successful investors know the importance of regular meetings with their financial advisor. These meetings are crucial for managing their investment portfolios and planning for retirement. After all, this is a time when you'll need to take control of your money to make sure it's being invested in the right strategies and tax-efficient accounts. If you don't have a financial planner, set aside time to look over your investments so you can see how they are doing. 4. Sort out your monthly budget and choose a portfolio based on your goals. The importance of a financial plan cannot be stressed enough. There are so many factors that go into making a budget, and it can be overwhelming. 5. Create a list of companies or funds you like, and buy shares in them with an eye to hold for long term, 5 to 10 years minimum. Here are a few key things you need to know: where to start investing, how to invest, and where to investigate further. Beginners should focus on exchange-traded funds and index funds. Exchange-traded funds and index funds are the best options for beginners to invest in stocks. They can be easily bought and sold at any time, so they're great for beginners who don't know much about the stock market. The long-term results of investing in these two types of funds are also promising, with a number of studies suggesting that they may outperform actively managed funds. Some investors get nervous about the stock market because it's unpredictable, but being wise and doing your own research is the best way to get ahead of the game. Do you want to start investing, but don't know where to start? These are the steps we recommend for beginners.